don't know what to tell you. You don't look good, my friend. You gotta start taking care of your health.
Yeah.
You gotta eat something more than cookies.
Yeah, cookie. Me like cookie.
I know you do. But that's no way to live. You know what I had for breakfast this morning? I had a kale shake. I made a shake of kale with a lemon, a cucumber, pear, like a cup of kale, and a banana. And you know what? You can bounce a quarter off my tummy. Look at your tummy. It's all flabby. Your eyes are all tweaking out like you're on too much sugar.
Yeah.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and in the studio here is my Niji, my brother,
Yeah.
Cookie. You know, sometimes if you're really somebody's friend, sometimes you gotta have hard conversations with them. Isn't that right, Cookie Monster?
Yeah.
And so I don't know. You know, Cookie, Bakwezhigaans. You know, in Ojibwe, when we say bread, we say Bakwezhigan. We say cookie, we say Bakwezhigaans. But I don't know what to say to you anymore. Yikes. You know what's going to happen to you, Cookie? If you keep eating like this? You're going to get fat. You're going to get cavities. And you're going to get diabetes. I know. It's pretty heavy. I don't know. You really need to take stock in yourself. You need to think about what's good for you and make some changes. I don't know. I wouldn't be your friend if I didn't tell you the truth.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, kind of a serious BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO today. I'm going to Mahjong. I'm going to go. I'm going to leave. And then Cookie and I need to have a little talk.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey. You have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
Yeah.
And this is Cookie. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin. Mirawa. Oh,
cookie! Yeah!
Come on, mean it. You gotta start looking after your health. How old are you anyway?
Me 60!
Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Neeman Wayne Dog, G-A-I-N, Omanu. Are you gonna sing? Oh yeah, okay. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Neeman Wayne Dog, G-A-I-N, Omanu. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, wow. Welcome to. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow. welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Demon wave dog, gee, yeah, no man go. Oh, wow. You know what? That's going to be really good. We should do that again.